it can reflect the sound waves, so that the sound waves can be focused and can go through the external auditory meter. Alright, this is also called external acoustic canal, whatever you can say, so something external. The inner boundary is here. This is the eardrum or the tympanic membrane. You can see it, the tympanic membrane, and very difficult to put it back or take it out. Alright, however, so this is the tympanic membrane, and this tympanic membrane vibrates according to the intensity or the frequency of the sound. And then we have got three small bones right here. These are called ossicles. Alright, these are called ossicles, and these ossicles will re-intensify the sound, re-amplify the sound, so that whatever you lost right here, you will get it back. The last ossicle, the third one, is called steps. Right here you see the steps. The first one is malleus, second one is the incus. The steps is connected to one window that is called oval window. You can see that the foot plate of the step, this is called the foot plate, it is not quite rounded. This is something oval, so that's why the window is called oval window. And this part, this is, I am holding the inner ear actually. This part of the inner ear is called vestibule. You know that this is one common chamber for both the things, and vestibule is also the part of balance. So from the vestibule, the sound waves, they don't have anything to do right here or right there. They will be transmitted through one spiral channel that is called the cochlea. You can see the cochlea, the cochlea. In the cochlea we have got those labyrinths, bony and membranous labyrinth. Bony labyrinth is basically the outer part. Membranous labyrinth, from the name membrane you understand that is soft, so membranous labyrinth is inside, where we have got the sound waves going, and they are vibrating those hair cells, and hair cells are rubbing against the tectorial membrane, not shown here, and according to resonance, some group of cells will vibrate, some other group of cells will vibrate. Normally the high frequency sounds will vibrate the hair cells right here, low frequency sounds, the drum beats, will vibrate the hair cells right there, and then they will come out, the sound wave will come out through another window that is right here, that is rounded, and that is called the round window. So the sound will not be puckered right there, and you will have one flawless hearing. Alright, and here is the nerve. It has got basically two components. One is the vestibular component arising from this, that is for the balance, and another one is the cochlea. So in common we call it vestibulocochlear nerve, which is the eighth nerve. Here you can see three semicircular canals, and they are geometrically located 90 degrees to each one, and you know that we are three-dimensional animals, so we understand the height, the length, and the depth. Alright, so everything we understand, three different things we understand. So these three canals are helping you to understand those things. If we are fourth-dimensional animals, then maybe something else we should have. Alright, unfortunately we don't have anything like that. So this is the inner ear, and it should be like this. Alright, simple, isn't it? The last thing here, what is this? Pardon? Yeah, he's trying. Yes, she is right. So that is the pharyngotympanic tube or auditory tube. Even though the name is auditory tube, but it actually doesn't help you hearing anything. Alright, it helps you to balance the air pressure in the middle ear and the atmosphere. When you are swallowing, you are taking air from outside, or you are releasing some air. So not always it's open. When you are swallowing, this part is opening and maintaining the balance of air pressure. So pharyngotympanic tube or auditory tube, or it has got another name, eustachian tube, everything is the same. Alright, this tube. Anything else? Okay, last thing, where all those things are located, in which bone? We have got the bones right here. In which bone? He is right, and I think you all know this is the temporal bone, where we have got all those things located. Alright? Okay, so any question?